Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to check your Lufthansa ticket status. First, go to lufthansa.com or open the Lufthansa mobile app. Look for the flight status section. Enter your flight details like departure city, arrival city, and travel date, or simply enter your flight number. This will show you the latest status of your flight. You can also log in to your Lufthansa account to see all your bookings in one place. From there, you can view ticket status, manage your booking, or make changes if needed. If you have your 6-digit booking code, you can enter it on the website to access your booking directly. And if you still can't find your ticket status, you can contact Lufthansa's customer service by phone or chat for help. And that's it. That's how you check your Lufthansa ticket status. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.